Hi, my name is Sonia Tiwari, and I am the incoming GSA representative for School Media and Technology Division at AECT. My 2 cents of advice for graduate students is to leverage your background. When I first came to the PhD program at College of Education in the Learning, Design, and Technology department, I just felt really out of place because most of my colleagues had an undergrad and master's degree in education. They had a lot of teaching and research experience already, and my experience was just quite different. I had a bachelor's in film production, a master's in animation, and I was working as a game designer, as a user experience designer in Silicon Valley and India before I moved to the PhD program. But as soon as my first research program started, that was when I was really happy and really proud of the decision that I had made to move into research, because it felt like every work experience from my past was converging to a point in that research. It was a study about using educational games to help children develop scientific thinking. And I was able to use my background as a game designer, as a user experience designer, as a mother, because I was dealing with young children in that research project. So I believe that every researcher, every PhD student coming in with a diverse background is really just unique because of that experience and because of that background. So I would say leverage your background.